Hi, my name is Corrie Pitzer, and at Safety Connect, I'm going to present to you our safety culture analysis tool. It's called Prisma, and it's probably the real ears of the management in the organization. How can we listen to what people are saying? Now, safety culture is what people want to tell you and what they want you to hear. But there's a deeper level of culture, and that is what I call risk culture. Is what people don't want to tell you. It's what they do when no one is watching. Now, we have discovered and developed over many years a way of measuring that, digging right into the deep heart and soul of the organization and understanding what that risk culture is. And I'm going to show you how we measure it, how you can quantify it, and how you can sustain it for the long term, because culture trumps your systems every time. See you then.